We're gonna go over the Koi Watercolor Pocket Set. These are really popular for field sketching, urban artists, and anytime you want to paint on the go. It's got everything you need to have a small studio wherever you go, including a palette for mixing your paints. That clicks on here. There's a thumb ring on the underside. You've got 48 different colors you can use straight out of the palette, or you can use to blend and mix anything you want. A water brush, which comes in 2 parts, and also a blotting sponge here to sop up any excess water. So to start the brush pen, you're just gonna unplug here, fill it with water. You're gonna attach the brush tip, and you might wanna screw it on to the right intuitively, but you actually should do it counterclockwise. And the reason for that is most people are right-handed users, and once you start using the pen, it's gonna unscrew if it would be the other way. So this is to help keep the water secure so you have no mess. Uncap it and get started.